Agate Fossil Beds National Monument is a hidden gem of a national park situated in the rolling hills of western Nebraska, south of Harrison. Here, National Park rangers, writers, and Nebraska Writing Project facilitators gathered on July 16th to the 18th of 2018 for the Writing Women of the West Workshop. The stories of the women of Agate range from a presentation on reading the geology of the area by paleontologist preparator Ellen Stapleton, the history of the Cook family women as told by their descendant Gretchen Mead, the biography of Kate Cook by Tess Sykes, arts of Native American Lakota women described by Randy Lynn Boucher, traditional artist at the Red Cloud Indian School Heritage Museum near Pine Ridge, South Dakota, and the life and times of Octavia Reeves, an African-American woman associated with Fort Robinson as recounted by Holly Counts. In addition, participants at the park were allowed the rare privilege of viewing artifacts of the Cook family in the Park Service vault. The contrast of the items range from a dress worn by Kate Cook to the ghost shirt of a Lakota tribal member. The 2019 Agate Nebraska Writing Project Workshop is in the planning stage at this time and will be announced in the future on the Nebraska Writing Project website and Facebook page.